Yokoso, kuruto shumi. Welcome back to Crazy Hobbies Down Under. Uh-oh! Got good old Kyosho in the house, bringing you the finest road control models since 1963. Well, looks like they've done it again. They've just released their Vintage Series kits, and this is the 8th one. And this one here is a Kyosho Ultima 2-wheel drive electric racing buggy kit. Winning its first world championship back in 1987 by an American driver going under the name of Joel Magic Johnson, America.
The 1987 Parma IFMA 2-wheel drive world champion from the United States, Joel Johnson.
What car were you using to win the final here today?
The Kyosho Ultima.
Let's quickly see what you get inside the box. Put a high-powered brushless motor in there, and take it for a good old thrashing. All right, so the good old Ultima. Let's see what you get inside the box and check out all the pretty bits.